In this session, we will learn how to format our sheet. This we can do with the help of this Home tab as well as with the help of right click and format option, that is format cells. If we have to change the style, font style, we just need to first select the cell. How we will select? We will go over here. Then with the help of cursor, we will select the entire content for which we have to change the font style. After clicking this drop down menu, see, I'm clicking on this drop down menu, you will get the required different type of font styles, whatever you want to change. Say for example, I choose this, and then I can again change the size. I can change the size of the text as well. I am keeping it 12. Right now the style and size has been changed. Here bold, italic and underline, three options are also given over here. If I click bold, then your text will be highlighted in the bold. If I again click on the same, the bold will be removed. This is bold. I stands here for the italics. It will give you italic form of the text, as well as U is for underline. You can underline. If you click again, that will be removed. See, if I am clicking again on the same option, it will be removed from there. Now, if I want to make a border, right? If I want to make a border, again you can go from here. Here are different options. If you want to go for more borders, you can go for more borders over from here. You can also select it from right click option, that is format cell. A dialog box will appear, and from here you will select the width of your line. You can change the color of your line, and you can select that which border you want. You want the complete borders, then you can select the complete borders. No, I don't want this, I want this one. Yes, I want this, right? This is a complete border. If you want only outline, you can also get only outline like this way, right? And then click OK. Now see, your border is ready with the chosen color that you have selected from the given option. Now, if you want to make change of the font color, here is an option with A, which is showing, and you can change the color as you select, that is blue. So your color is being changed to blue, right? So these are the different options from which we can make formatting in our sheet. Let us take an example for the same. Suppose you have this data and this is very misaligned. Now we will try to format the same in a much better way. This is a heading, that is student name, college and phone number. I want it on the top, so I will choose it from here, top align, right? I would like to decrease the size. I will just drag it from here. I want to give the border, then I will go to border. I will just take outside border, right? For these three headings, border color, I will select all these three. Right click, format cell, choose the line width, then choose the color, and then give outline, and the color is set, right? Now the border is set with you. Now you can, because it is a heading, you can make bold, right? You can also make it like increase the size. Here is an option. You will click, it will increase the size, right? But you don't want, you want to reduce, you can reduce the size from here. This is what, this is again decrease the size, increase the size, decrease the size, right? So there are so many options which you can use for formatting. Now this is very misaligned. You will go and just left align the text. Again you will left align. Now you can say there is missing information about college and phone number, so you can delete this, or you can go to clear all, right? But you want this phone number to be to be right aligned, so you will right align the same. In this way, your data has been formatted in a beautiful manner. If you want to give border for the rest of the cells, you can go and select all borders. Now your borders are ready.